Hi family, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to Rosie Natural. In this video, I'm doing a roll and pin hairstyle. I washed my hair the previous day and put it in braids to keep the hair stretched. To start, I put some oil on my scalp, and also with the oiled fingers, I took down the braids. I divided my hair into a front and back section and put them in two separate puffs. Then I took smaller sections of hair in the puff, rolled and pinned them as I wanted them to be. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Rose. On this channel, I share my natural hair journey, which includes hair care, hairstyles, and a few DIYs to help with the natural hair journey. Please subscribe if you like this content, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any video I post. I have a roll, tuck and pin video playlist I think you might love, and so I'll put up a card on the screen and also a link in the description to that playlist. Please check that out. Please don't forget to click on the like button and to comment on this video if you find it helpful. Do watch to the end, and I'll see you all again in my next video.